Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I lighten my hair. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Right here, I'm showing you the before of how the hair looks before I lighten it. And I'm going to use the Color Charm Biolage painting kit, I guess. What you do is you mix 1 and 2 together, and you get a nice creamy base to apply to do biolage with. Now, biolage is done on air dried hair. It's not air processed hair. It's not put in foils or anything like that. It's basically air dried. So it's very thick and pasty. So you kind of have to because I just want I want the look of the biolage on the top of the hair. However, I want the very ends to be totally saturated, so I have to go in with my fingertips and really massage it in. And I have to do this for each section that I'm going to be doing the biolage. So that's what you see me working here. I'm starting from the bottom and I'm going to work my way up to the top. I'm trying to do like the V sectioning that they normally do. I figured I would use it on this hair because I live in a very humid environment and it was starting to get crumbly, and I didn't want the product to go to waste, which is maybe I could have used a silica packet in the powder, but I mean it's getting very crumbly. Right now I'm just showing you the very bottom, how you have to smooth it on both sides, because if you don't, you're gonna get like splotchy, blotchy spots. So right now, like I said, I'm just starting at the bottom. These sections are maybe an inch thick, maybe like 3 or 4 tracks. And as you can see here, I'm just taking my brush and my little paddle that I had gotten from, I believe, Armstrong McCall or wherever I got it from. But yeah, right now I'm just massaging the hair color in, and I did this maybe up to like what you would say the nape is, and then I'm just going to go in with my BW2 powder lightener and my volume 30 because I ran out of 20. I normally use a 20 when I lighten hair, but this is where I'm going to alternate. So I'm going to weave the section for the lightening, and then I'm going to go and the section, the leftover hair that's out, I'm going to hit that with the biolage. So it has like a two-tone effect where you have some pieces that are lighter and some pieces that are darker. And you're going to see me work my way up to the top of the head doing the same thing. Okay, for right here, I'm going to do a little variation. I'm going to go in with the next section, and I'm just going to use the biolage. I'm not going to highlight anything. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do right here. And then next, I'm going to do, biolage, and then on the top, highlights. So you just take a look at what I'm doing here, because I'm showing you everything that I possibly can. And you'll see what I'm talking about. This is like maybe 2 tracks as opposed to 3, like I was doing before. So basically, I don't know, this is my thing. For some reason, I love the ends to be a lot lighter than the roots. It's my thing, I guess. So even though, yeah, it's only supposed to paint the surface, which is biolage, but it's 4. Even though I'm painting just the surface, I'm making sure that the bottom is taken care of as well, because like I said, I want my ends lighter, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, right here you see me going in. Now I've made my way to the side of the head. I'm going to weave the top portion, and then I'm going to biolage the bottom section of that weave. So we're just going to take a look at that right here, and I'm going to do that through the entire side. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm doing the highlights and biolage back to back. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to work my way up to the top. Okay, I finally made my way to the front, and because I wanted that money piece, I guess they call it, I'm going to tease the front section, and then I'm going to go in and just lighten that whole section. So it's thin enough where you can get the bleach to kind of like go in between the strands, but you still have to make sure everything's nicely coated because bleach is pretty thick and pasty. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm shifting the hair around, push the hair to the side, and I'm getting the side of the strand, and then the other side, the other side of the strand, and that's what I'm going to do here at the top. Okay, right here I'm gonna biolage the hair. I wasn't exactly sure how should I have done this, but I'm doing the top and the bottom because I want it to be a nice blended effect. So you see me working the top right here, and I'm gonna try to lift it up to expose the bottom and try to make it evenly just as blended as the top. So that's what you see me doing here. Again, I'm making sure my ends are thoroughly saturated because I wanted my ends lighter. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what the hair looks like with all the foils in and everything. And right here I'm just showing you what it looked like before, just in case you've forgotten. And here's the after. It kind of looks like Beyonce here to me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.